Hi guys, it's Olivia. I'm here in LA shooting my collab case for Wildflower. I'm so excited to be here. We're in this beautiful park shooting today. We've been in the mix and the talks for this case for so long. If we were in LA, I would say I would want to be outside. I think it would be cute with grass.
One of our other photographers we always use, her name's Lauren Leakley. I don't know if you've seen her stuff.
Oh yeah, I do. I know her.
Outside, that kind of, she shoots girls so pretty outside. I feel like that would be so cute in a grass, cute outfit.
She is so good. She's also one of my really good friends. And she makes everyone look so beautiful. And she also just really knows how to shoot the case. I'm picturing it just you're the dream girl, and you just want to be exactly like you.
Yeah, I feel it's quite whimsical, dreamlike.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree.
If it
first choice would be LA, so
that's literally the exact photo I was just gonna pull.
Yeah.
So cute.
So beautiful.
That's perfect.
So excited to see it.
Oh, it's gonna be so precious. I feel
I am so happy with it. It's my perfect phone case. I can't wait for everyone to have it on their phone. And I just feel it's me in a phone case. It's green, my favorite color. In a way, I feel it kind of looks a little bit Irish. I don't know if I'm just being delusional, but that was definitely a bit of the inspo with the tartan pattern. And then the little pink stitching as well is so cute. And yeah, I'm just so happy and I'm so excited for you guys to see it.
I think with probably the rain boots, the wellies.
Yeah.
We can try it with the Burberry or the Hunter.
So cute.
That I think is definitely something we should shoot. And then I have all these little bloomers because there was some references of her running in the grass and stuff like that.
Cute.
This actually could go together.
Yeah. Cute.
With
really
I have these trenches. I have this old Armani trench. You could put that on over top. With the Burberry boots.
Yeah, that would be really cute.
Pretty. Sitting with the pinstripe capris with I don't know.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So I sourced these.
They're really cute.
Which I want to try on you that are not as tight, but then I got these Dolce and Gabbana ones that are a little more fitted and have this these clasps. Yeah. So maybe we'll try on both of those and see. Just a flowy white top, and then I do have this vintage Chloe from 2003, which is just
so
to
pretty.
die for. Button down. Oh, I have this YSL.
Wow.
Which we could do with the pinstripe. I just want to see what it would look like on you.
That's amazing.
Or the Dolce.
I prefer the looser ones. And
that's
the
what I think so too. Okay. This is Ralph Lauren. If you didn't want to do the Marc Jacobs dress and wanted something less. I know, I love the Marc Jacobs dress. It's incredible.
So
okay,
cute.
perfect.
Love it.
Love.
Yeah.
That is really beautiful.
they're really comfortable.
But that's the new inspo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chloe 2003. We love her. Are you kidding?
Oh my god. Okay. So cute.
Okay. Yeah, it's perfect.
It's cute. This is my favorite.
I know. Me too.
So I was I'm not going out.
Hi, how are you?
So cute. Hi. I love this. Hi. So cute.
Nice to meet you. How are you? Your hair is so pretty.
You look gorgeous. I want this. Where'd you get this?
Replica?
This is so cute.
Okay, guys.
Pretty hair, Livette. Thank you.
Everyone watch out for these.
Yeah, hair's looking great. Oh yeah.
Everyone watch out for these, because you'll kind of break out in itchy
Well,
welts.
Oh wow.
No, it's not. You look so.
Oh my god, so cute. Wow. Such a cute background.
I think that for this kind of thing, it's best to kind of pretend you're in your own world.
Yeah.
And not do you can look directly into the camera surface every I feel 10 shots or something if you want to have like, or like I feel like it's better to look just past me.
Yeah.
And then like other than that, like I would just be like pretending like kind of almost like you're discovering the space.
Okay.
For now, I feel like you can have it in like this hand.
Yeah.
And like I think like it's better like as much like as you can hold it where like you can see the case. But like right now I feel like you could just be like
That's a good way to
like just like walking past kind of like this. Maybe you're brushing your hand against this.
Yeah.
Like things like that. Just like discovering the land vibe.
What are you doing this weekend?
Watching the Lakers tonight.
Oh,
And then
we love the Lakers.
I love the Lakers. I love them because they're doing good right now. But
Where is it for? The stadium?
yeah, it's pretty far, but it's an away game.
Oh.
So I'm gonna watch it at home.
Oh, okay.
But they have two of our like best guys are injured,
Oh no.
but one of them just got cleared to maybe play tonight.
Ooh.
He's like my real favorite.
Wait, is it Luka
Austin Reeves.
Oh yeah.
I love Luka.
Have you ever met a basketball player?
Yes.
Did you like?
I freak out.
Oh.
But we saw Anthony Davis, who used to be on the Lakers, but then he got traded. We saw him at Bird Streets, and he walked in, and I literally was like, he was like, I was like, Sydney, I was like shaking, and I was like, why do I feel? They're like superheroes because they're so big, and like you just are like, oh my god, I literally like.
Have you seen that film?
This will be
It's already.
Face like this.
So cute. Oh my god, you should go to architecture.
I am in a constant state of yearning for Ireland. I love it so much. The nature there is so beautiful. I swear, the green in Ireland is like, I've never seen another green like it. If you ever go, you'll understand what I mean, like driving around, it's just so beautiful. And I was so blessed to grow up there. It's like the best place on earth. But yeah, I feel like my happy place is kind of like out in the nature, or like walking up mountains, and I'm just like I can really appreciate nature. Like every time I see something really beautiful, I cry. Like I'll be crying over a tree regularly. So yeah, this is kind of a nod to that.
Like you're pushing off the tree a little bit or something? I don't know. Or like
hold this tree maybe and like kind of like monkey it, you know?
or like have your arm up on this one. Yeah. That's
Cute.
pretty. That's
Really
nice.
pretty.
So pretty.
I have been a fan of Wildflower for so long. It's like the perfect LA girl. I'm obviously from Ireland, so like growing up, I would see like when Miley Cyrus had the case and everything, I was like, wow, like someday I want to have a Wildflower case on my phone. Like that was like a dream of mine. And then when I first got my Wildflower case, like just my first ever case, I was like, wow, I'm literally like the LA girl now. And then I met Devin and Sydney as well, and they're amazing. Obviously, they're behind the brand, and it just means so much to be a part of something that they've created. And yeah, I love Wildflower. Wildflower forever.
Hold it.
Eileen's cute. So sweet.
So cute.
Oh, the case looks so cute with everything.
It does.
I love it so much.
A little selfie, perhaps?
Perhaps a selfie? So pretty.
Hold on, sorry.
the whole day I've been like, wow, this is perfect, everyone's perfect, thank you so much, because like the whole day has been perfect. I'm obsessed with the glam, I'm obsessed with my outfits, I'm obsessed with the case, the photographer, everyone's just been amazing. Devin and Sydney are here. I'm just like so happy. And yeah, just to like be in LA in the sunshine, in the nature, I like cannot believe this is my life right now. Okay, I'm gonna like be in LA right now just because that's where we are. So I'm gonna describe like my perfect day today. Wake up, sun is shining, I get a good coffee. Recently I'm really into like sweet coffee, so I want some like cold foam, I want like all the extras, and then I would probably ideally go on a hike. And yeah, just to be with my friends in the sun, eating good food, maybe a couple margaritas as the sun goes down. Yeah, that'd be my perfect day. Because of this shoot, it's kind of reminding me of Strawberry Fields by the Beatles. I love that song so much, and it reminds me of like summer and spring and like being in nature and just frolicking. I really like Paris as a city because I mean, croissants are like my favorite thing ever, but also just like walking around Paris, like every street that you walk on is beautiful and the architecture there is incredible and there's just so much to do, so much to see. Yeah, I love Paris. My favorite summer activity is probably horse riding. I love horse riding so much, especially like when the sun's shining, and it just like is a nice way to see things and be in nature. But last week I got thrown off a horse, and so now I'm kind of off horse riding. I'm gonna have to find a new summer activity. I love spring. Summer is like not amazing for me because I burn in the sun really easily because I'm Irish, but spring is so beautiful and all the flowers come into bloom. Yeah, I would say spring. I'm gonna have to tag Ruby Lynn because yeah, I think she would create such a cute one, and that's what I love about Wildflower is like there's a different case for everyone and you can really like see each collab, you can see the person in their phone case, and so I'd love to see what she would come up with. Okay guys, we just wrapped the shoot, so please, if you like the case, go shop it. I want to see everyone with this case on. I literally love it so much, and I think it's perfect for summer, and yeah, get the case now.
You're perfect. Yeah, really beautiful stuff.
I cannot.
So sweet.
Okay, cool.
Welcome back to Wildflower's YouTube channel. Faces, Lil Devil and Lil Angel.